Meaning of fraternity.
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 Fraternity. Fraternity is a term that refers to a social organization or group characterized by a shared interest, purpose, or experience. It typically involves a group of people who have come together to form a close-knit community based on common interests or goals. The term is often used to describe college and university student organizations dedicated to promoting social connections and community service. These organizations are often exclusive, requiring members to undergo extensive initiation rites or pledge processes in order to join. Fraternities can be either male-only or co-ed, and are known for fostering lifelong friendships and a strong sense of camaraderie among members.